Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Chris Holt, and today I'm going to take you through my 2006 Hummer H3 Adventure package, and we're going to go ahead and do all of the lighting, from adjusting the headlights to replacing them to replacing the fog lights. All of that in the front end is getting redone. I'm super excited about this because the headlights that are in there currently are cattywampus, and one's way bright and the other one isn't very bright, and then one of my fog lights is out. So this will work on any Hummer H3 out there, from adjusting the headlights to replacing them to the fog lights as well. Now I know a common question is, how come I wouldn't go LED or something like that? Well, I personally think that the headlights in the H3 are plenty bright and will do a really good job. People in my family have also had this car and loved just the factory headlights, and I don't need any issues running LEDs and the ballast going in, out, or whatever. So if you guys are here to see some headlights, let me know in the comments down below what you guys are working on, and let me know what you guys want to see here next with the Hummer H3. But just like that, guys, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, to start it off, we're going to adjust the headlights. And so if you come up here, this is the passenger side, I'll just show you there right now. Right in there, and then we'll come up. So as you can see, here's the headlight right there, and it's right up in that little case right there. We go over to the driver's side. We have the same sort of deal. You find the headlight, you go up, and it's right in there. Now, what does it take to adjust? You need a 1/4-inch drive on a T15, or just anything with a T15. And you'll go ahead and find it on in there and just adjust it. And this is adjusting it down. And once I get it close, because it was very far out of alignment, once it gets close, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, project it against the wall. Ideally, I'd be a little bit further away and get it so that it projects out straight. Now, the whole goal is to get this light adjusted with that light. And so, if you guys don't want to see this part and you want to see me changing the headlights, go ahead and skip to the timestamp below. So ideally you'd have an extension on your T15 so you can make a full swing, but I don't have that luxury right now because I can't find any of my 1/4-inch ratchet extensions. But basically what I'm doing is I'm leveling out the headlights right now and getting them close by the eye, and then once I get pretty close, I'm going to go ahead and turn them on and make sure that they are level. And I think we got them pretty good looking. Let's see. Looking pretty close to the top with some space on the bottom. Alright, so I went ahead and got them pretty good. I got them definitely a lot better. One thing I did notice is on the holes right here and right here inside, I did get some slippage, especially near the end, so definitely be careful with that when you're using your T15 bit. But the headlights are looking a lot more parallel, a lot more straight, not just straight up and straight down. So this will give us a much better beam of light. Now, the next thing that I wanted to switch out is the headlight bulbs, because both of them are different. We got the driver's side that's super bright, and the passenger side that's a lot more dull. So I went ahead and bought some headlights and fog lights. Now, I know these aren't LEDs or anything like that, but we got ourselves some Sylvania bulbs right there, H13. And then for the fog lights, I have 9140s. But we're going to go ahead and install these H13s, and I'm going to walk you guys exactly how to go ahead and do that. Alright guys, I'm going to show you on the driver's side because there's a lot more room to handle with over here versus over there. And yes, I still know my engine bay is super dirty, I apologize. These are the bulbs that are going to be going in there, the H13s. And they're the brighter, extra down road from Sylvania. I figured just go with a similar one that everyone's got, so it won't be an issue down the line to replace them. So we're at the headlight right here. We're gonna go behind it, and let's see if I can get in. Oh yes, nice and dirty. But there should be 2 tabs.
one right there where my finger is, and one on the very bottom, which you can't see. We're gonna go ahead and turn this counterclockwise a little bit, be able to pull it out. Now, as you can see right there, where my hand is, and on the other side is two little tabs. We're gonna go ahead and pinch it and pull the bulb out. Now, I can't do this one-handed, so I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down and let you know how it goes. So I went ahead and pinched those tabs right there on that clip, and I was able to get the old one out, and here is the new one. So putting it in, I'm gonna do the same thing, connect the wiring harness thing to the back right there, and then go ahead and put it in and then twist it clockwise. All right, guys, looking up underneath in there, you can see we got our new headlight in, and now we're good to go right there. So as you can see, the fog light is down here. So if you look under the hood, it would be pretty hard to get down there because it's past and like underneath this tray right here. And same for the driver's side down there. It's kind of like way back up and under. So our best plan of attack is to reach it from the bottom. All right, guys, so here is our D-ring and the factory fog light up there. So in order to change it, we're gonna come up underneath here and kind of up in there. We're gonna have to feed our hands. I don't think I can see it with this. Let's see if I can get right up in there, and we're gonna go ahead and pinch it and then twist it counterclockwise and be able to pull it out that way. So I'm gonna start with the twisting because I can do it one-handed. So, all right. Let's see if I can show you. All right, so it's able to twist it, and that is what the factory one looks like, or another one. And so as you can see, the clip is, I believe, just a side clinch, and I think like the headlights, I won't be able to get this one off with one hand. So I'll get right back to you guys on that. All right, guys, we were able to get this connector off, and the biggest thing is right there, getting that off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and snap the new one on, and then go find it in its little hole up top. So that would be hard to do one-handed, so I'll get back to you guys once I'm done with that. And there you go. As you can see right there, we got the new fog lights in. Did this both on the driver and passenger side, and now we should be good to go with brand new headlights and brand new fog lights. Now let's see how she turned out.
So guys, I went ahead and installed the new headlights, adjusted them properly, and now I have both the fog lights working. Super excited about it. And got the cab lights, so it's starting to look really good. And as you can tell, the beam, well, let's see if I can adjust. So the beam is pretty good. A lot better, and all four lights look the same, which I'm super stoked and happy about. So now I've got all the headlights completely figured out, and now I know how to adjust them, change them, all of that. So if you guys have any questions on anything else headlight related for your H3, let me know in the comments down below, and I'd love to be able to get to you guys and answer all your questions. Alright guys, so there you have it. From adjusting the position of your headlights to changing the bulbs in the headlights and changing your fog lights. That's all it takes. It's pretty simple. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other questions about the headlights, fog lights, or anything like that. Even anything with my Hummer H3. Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to think of it, and hopefully I'm able to get out more content for you guys on a much more regular basis. Now that I got my camera here, finally super happy about that. Had to make a trip home for that. So now that we got it, we're here and ready to shoot more content, more on multiple times a week. I got a lot coming up, a lot with the Hummer. Really excited about that. The Camaro is not on the back burner. It's still here, still around. We got some more content for that. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below, whether that's the Camaro, the Hummer, or anything like that. Like I say, the Hummer will be going through a really quick transformation, hopefully here soon in the next week or so. So I'm super excited about that. But if you guys have any other questions about changing, adjusting the headlights and fog lights on the Hummer, let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe, because we're going to be coming out with a lot more content here soon. And I'm super excited for all the new guys that keep joining us. And let's keep on growing. I love seeing the growth, guys. Thank you so much for all you do. And just like that, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.